If you're over 50, listen closely, because the very protein you're eating to stay healthy might actually be silently damaging your kidneys. Yes, some common proteins can overload your kidneys, raise inflammation, and speed up decline without you even knowing. But don't worry, in today's video, I'll show you 4 proteins you must avoid, and 3 clean, healing proteins that actually help your kidneys repair and function better. So let's get started. Protein number 1, processed meats. Hot dogs, sausages, deli meats, pepperoni, these taste good, but they are extremely hard on your kidneys. They contain high sodium, preservatives, and nitrates that raise blood pressure and cause kidney stress. Long-term use can even reduce kidney filtration speed, without showing symptoms until the damage is advanced. Protein number 2, red meat in large amounts. Beef, lamb, and mutton are packed with protein, but also with purines that increase uric acid. High uric acid forms crystals that scratch your kidneys from the inside, leading to long-term decline. Eating red meat daily is one of the fastest ways to exhaust already weak kidneys. Protein number 3, protein powders. Many seniors start protein shakes for muscle, but this can backfire. Whey concentrate has very high protein density, which forces your kidneys to work overtime. If you already have high blood pressure or diabetes, this can accelerate kidney damage. Protein number 4, deep-fried proteins. Fried chicken, fried fish, fried egg snacks, anything dipped in oil becomes a kidney hazard. Deep frying forms advanced glycation end products, AGEs, that increase inflammation and stiffen kidney tissues. This slows down filtration and weakens your kidneys over time. Now, the good news? Here are 3 clean proteins that support kidney healing and reduce inflammation. Healing protein number 1, lentils and beans. Plant proteins break down more gently inside the body and create less acid, which reduces kidney workload. Lentils, chickpeas, and kidney beans also contain fiber that stabilizes blood sugar, a major win for kidney health. Healing protein number 2, eggs, especially egg whites. Egg whites are one of the cleanest proteins on Earth. They provide essential amino acids but contain very low phosphorus, which protects your kidneys. Perfect for breakfast or a light dinner. Healing protein number 3, salmon and fatty fish. Rich in omega-3s, salmon helps reduce inflammation in the kidneys. Omega-3s also improve blood flow, reduce swelling, and protect kidney tissues from long-term damage. Your kidneys work 24/7, filtering toxins, balancing minerals, and keeping your whole body running. So the proteins you choose matter. Avoid the dangerous ones, and include more of the healing ones in your meals. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs it. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.